Some real sales idea for retailing. When human connections sell more than product. Hi there. In this video, I won't talk about a generic sales tips. I will talk like a real shop owner, someone who's inside a store, dealing with the real people, with real emotion. Because today, people don't just buy product, they buy feeling, they buy energy. Let's begin. Part 1. Real human-based sales techniques. 1. People buy the feeling, not item. If a customer feels good in your store, they will come back, even if your product are average. Number 2. Relationship brings sales. Learn your customer's name, smile, as something personal. Even a small connection brings big result. Number 3. Be human, even online. Send a voice message. Use their name. Say thank you with heart. In digital sales, this builds trust. Part 2. Real example. I speak as a seller. Clothing and fashion. Number 4. Women's boutique. If I had a boutique, I install a large mirror with the natural light. When a woman tries a dress, I'd ask, can I take photo from behind with your phone? She sees herself better and feels special. That helps her buy. Number 5. Men's clothing store. Men want fast choices. I'd create a style pass in my store. Shirt, pants, belt, shoes, all matching. He walks one and buys a full set without thinking. Grocery and food. Local supermarket. 1 week, I'd set up tasting table with the free samples. Big sign, test and vote. Maybe win. People try, they talk, and they buy. Fruit store. I create fruit packs. Healthy morning, energy booster, detox pack. It saves the customer time and makes them feel healthy. Home and decor. I design selfie corner with nice light. If someone takes a photo and tags us on Instagram, 10% discount. They enjoy, they buy, they promote your for free. Books and stationery. Bookstore. I read a paragraph from a book out loud, just a few lines with feeling. It stops people. It pulls them in. Then I'd say, want to read more? Boom! That's a sale. Beauty and cosmetics. Makeup store. I'd offer a 5-minute makeup test. Not a big deal. Just one lipstick or foundation. Then record a short video with the client's phone. If they want, they feel VIP and they'll come back. Pet store. In pet shop, I build a small photo zone. Pet selfie spot, cute background. If customer post a story with their dog or cat and tag us, they get a free treat. Services. Mobile repair shop. After fixing the phone, I'd say, if you post a 15-second before and after video and tag us, you will get a free phone case. They market you. You give a small gift. Everyone wins. Real coffee shop experience. True story. I once visited a small coffee shop in a midtown. Nothing fancy. No big machine. Just a warm, middle-aged man behind the counter. Someone asked, what is in your cafe? What machine do you use? He smiled and said, I don't know much. I just use a simple machine. Then he added, but I make friends with my customer. Maybe that's why they like my cafe. That guy gave more than coffee. He gave peace, kindness, and friendship. That's what we all want. Final word. You don't need fancy tools or big promotion. You just need to connect. Smile more. Ask their name. Be real. Be kind. Even online this works. Even with average product, people come back to those they trust and enjoy. If you are a retail seller, try one of these ideas today and tell me in a comment what's your favorite way to connect with the customer.